see because someone smells good, someone sounds good, someone looks good, someone treats you good. Be careful.
That's right.
See, a hardened heart, understand, a hardened heart, it means to be unfeeling, to be made obstinate, confirmed in your error. That means you don't feel nothing when God tries to convict you. Or I can talk about myself. When I no longer feel convicted, and I may know I'm in sin, and it don't bother me. And I carry on my life like it don't make it. That's a hard heart. When I act and behave without any regard for what God thinks about my behavior. Oh, no, it's all right. I can still get down and pray. I can still do this. I still do that. I woke up this morning. I mean, God is on my side.